Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create and delete auto shutdown task in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Comp command from description and paste it into command window. Change current time for testing. The scheduled task created successfully. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type SchTasks, space. /delete space. /tn space. Type your task name Y in quotes. Type Y, to delete shutdown task. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.